All right, today I'm going to show you how to make French press coffee. Right here I have a TbGenius coffee maker right here. I have Portland's coffee roasters right here. Freshly ground coffee I'm going to be using, and then I have water that is boiling or approaching boiling, which I'm going to use. Now, you don't want to wait for the water to boil. You want to catch it right before it boils. That's the perfect temperature. And if it boils, you want to bring it back down slightly. So I'm going to use this right here. Typically I use maybe 3 to 4 to 5 teaspoons of coffee. Have it coarse ground in here. So right here I have a light roast that I'm using right here, and I'm going to use light roast. It's a light skin thing to do. So I have the coffee. Water, it's almost boiling. You can let it cool just slightly. While it's cooling, I'm going to go ahead and grab a coffee cup. Let's see if I can get a coffee cup going. Here it goes right here. Grab the coffee cup, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right here, make sure that it's just under boiling. You don't want to be boiling because you don't want to boil the coffee beans. I'm going to pour it in like that. You just want it to steep in there. Boiling brings out more of the oils that you preferably do not want. So just put it right there. A little came out. And I'm just going to let this push it down just slightly, just so that all of the beans actually get soaked. And I'm going to let this sit for about 3 minutes. Okay, so 3 minutes is going to allow the coffee to come out into the water and give it a nice flavor. And if you let it go too much, you'll get too much of the oils out of the coffee, and you may give it a bitter taste, and you don't want that. Well, that's steeping. I'm going to go ahead and grab something. I like to add milk to my coffee. Some people like cream, but I add this right here. This is Alexandre Family Farm A2 organic 100% grass-fed milk. Really good milk right here. All right, so I'm going to let that steep in there. And what I like to do, I like to add the coffee or the cream to it first. Okay, so I'm going to add the appropriate amount of cream. I'm supposed to shake this first, almost like a Polaroid picture. Going to go ahead and put this in here. And you'll notice that with this, all right, so I'm going to take this. I had this steeping here. I put the coffee grounds here, let it steep for about 3 minutes. I added some Alexandre A2 100% grass-fed milk to the cup, appropriate amount, probably more than most people want to use or typically use. And so what I'm going to do is, this has been steeping. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and press this. It's a blonde roast. Press that down, and then that's what it looks like right here. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in here. You can see the blonde roast right there going out. I'm just going to take the spoon, couple spins. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a fine cup of coffee. French roast coffee. Really good.